Are you having trouble viewing a report within Zoho CRM? Are you getting a permissions denied error message? If so, this video is for you. To make sure your reports are accessible for your team, you need to make sure the module connected to that report isn't hidden. Here's an example. I'd like to view the purchase order report, but as you can see, I'm unable to. So let's see if the purchase order module is hidden. Navigate over to Settings in the top right-hand corner, go to Customization and Modules and Fields. Click on Organize Modules, search for the purchase order module, and as you can see, it's unchecked, which tells me this module is hidden. Let's check the box, save, and return back to the report. Click on the Reports tab, Purchase Order Report, and here we go. We now have access. If you can't see the report you want because you need help creating it, that's another matter. Drop us a line and we can help build the reports you need to help launch your business to the next level. Take care.